The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser handheld vacuum is a fantastic choice, earning top marks at the best handheld vacuum for pet hair in 2025. Whether you're dealing with tufts of fur or scattered pet food, this device tackles messes on various surfaces with ease. Pet hair, dust, crumbs, and even kitty litter are no match for its powerful suction and large dirt capacity. Weighing only 3.5 pounds, it's perfectly lightweight for quick cleanups. The vacuum is a lifesaver for quick messes around the kitchen or pet area, eliminating the need to drag out a bulky corded vacuum. It's far more effective and quicker than using a broom for those pesky daily messes. The Pet Hair Eraser is particularly adept at lifting dry dirt and mud from surfaces, performing on par with some of the top models in speed and efficiency. When it comes to battery life, this model runs for an impressive 20 minutes and 42 seconds without the motorized brush, which surpasses many similar products. Even with the brush tool in use, it still manages a solid 17 minutes of cleaning time. This runtime is more than adequate for a handheld vacuum, ensuring you can handle multiple cleanups before needing to recharge. Despite its power, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser is relatively quiet, though it has a slight whine that might be noticed during use. Additionally, the vacuum features a generously sized collection bin that's straightforward to empty, making maintenance a breeze. For anyone sharing their home with pets, this vacuum is an essential tool that combines convenience, power, and efficiency in one compact package. Thumbs up.